is my Love Bug Fold It. Now, the Love Bug Fold It is so freakishly adorable. Here she is. She was actually a little tiny version back in the day for our Die Hard Club. But here she is as a Fold It. Look at that, sending you bugs and hugs. Oh, that's hilarious. So there's one. The face is separate. So if you wanted to use some of our, the more faces to stamp, you can, and you can totally change the faces. Look how cute that is. Here is another cute one. So you get to decide. Now you can have this dot, you can have it fold at the side or at the top, right? Remember, fold it so you can do A2 in size. It fits in a standard A2 size envelope. Look how cute it is. Here's another one. Now, let me just tell you, and I wish we could zoom, maybe you could do 3 on this one, because Cheryl must have made this one. It has 3D ink, yeah. But look at the antenna. The antenna, is that how you say it? You can't say antennas, can you? I don't think so. The little heart literally cuts out on the inside. So that little antenna literally cuts out. I also gave you lots and lots of layering dies. So let's look at this really quick. So the face is separate. It's optional, right? You could drop it in there to get this if you wanted to, but that's optional. There's lots of extra hearts. There's a little tiny envelope. So this little tiny envelope, look how little it is. That's an actual die with score lines. Then you're getting, of course, the shadow die. You're getting this die, which has all the little extra cutouts with those cute little antennas. See, you can see him, it's a heart. But then you're also getting all these extra, that looks funny. It looks like a dog's face, kind of. But you're getting the extra layering dies. So now you're doing all of these extra layering dies. You could also make these easy, oh, here we go. Shaker. Those wings are perfect for shakers because I'm giving you all of those extra layering dies. Perfect shaker on our postage stamp Fold It. Isn't that adorable? Shaker, shaker, shaker. I could do this all day, you guys. Shaker, shaker, shaker. So there we go. That, oh, and then you get like extra little pieces. Like here's ones if you want it to cut out that little heart right there on this little piece. There's an extra pieces of those. I really tried to throw in a lot for you on this one. That is the Love Bug Fold It. I have a couple more samples to show you, so I just wanted you to see all of that. I have this one in on a small magnet by Tiffany and the small stamp pocket. So here is another sample. This is that one. Oh, whoops, 3. Let's stay on 3 for a bit. So here we go. There's that cute one. I already showed you this one, but that heart is cut out, you guys. That's cut out. And then this one is a cute one because this one, look at that, love you, the little envelope with the hearts coming out. Dawn says, you always think of what we could do and give it that extra bits to do so. You know what, Dawn? You are right, and I thank you for saying that. I appreciate you acknowledging that. I try to take the design and I say, okay, if I had this design, because eventually I will, if I have this design, ooh, I want that. Ooh, I want that. And I think that sets us a little bit different from other people because I'm an end user. I make cards. So I kind of have an idea of what I want it to do. Whereas some people are big corporations and they don't necessarily, you know, their degrees in accounting or their degrees of this and that. My degree's not in graphic arts, it's in card making. But I'm an end user. I want it to do those extra things to make it go the extra mile for you, to make it more versatile, to make it more worthy of your dollar. So that is the Love Bug Fold It. Now, the price on that, you guys, by itself, the price on that, if you're gold, is only $11.99. $11.99 for an A2 size card. So that's really awesome. So that is the Love Bug. If you Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.